Hello. So, in this video, we are going to be talking about few signs that you are wasting your time waiting for your ex to come back. So, let's get into it. So, the first point here is that they stop flirting with you or they end flirting with you. So, if your ex is no longer interested in you or they no longer want to be around you will notice that they stop sending you messages to find out how you're doing, or they stop sending you sweet messages. They are no longer taking that effort to compliment you or to flirt with you or to make you feel special because they don't feel uh, that you're special anymore to them. So you will be able to sense that in their behavior. So the next one is that they are no longer concerned about your private life or the ups and downs that you're going through. So if your ex is really not concerned about how you're doing in your life or what kind of hardships you're going through, what kind of ups and downs you're going through, they do not reach out to you. They don't really care to know what's happening in your life. So that is a huge sign, a huge red flag that they want to end this relationship, the connection that they have with you. They are no longer concerned about you. The next one that we have here is that they no longer seek advice from you. So if your ex used to contact you on a regular basis to seek advice for work or for family or for any other purpose, if they are making any important investments or any important decisions that they do in their life, if they used to seek advice from you previously in the past, they no longer do that. They stop doing that. So this is a huge sign that they are no longer want to be around you and they do not value you anymore in a relationship, and they do not want to be in a relationship with you. The next one is they begin to avoid dealing with the partnership, past, present, or future. So, this is a very important sign when your partner or lover stops acknowledging the beautiful past that you both had together. They stop acknowledging the fact, they kind of avoid any conversation. If you bring up the past that you had with them, the days that you spent together with them, they avoid that conversation. And not just that, they are not even interested in a present conversation that you have about them, about the present situation that you both share, the current situation, or they do not wish to talk at all. They do not wish to discuss at all about any future conversation, about any future that you both would hold together. That is a huge sign that they are no longer interested in you. So the next point here is that they stop texting you. They stop texting you or they stop taking any phone calls from you or communicating with you. So if your person has stop responding to your calls, or if they have stopped texting you completely, this is a very sure sign that they are no longer interested in you and they no longer want to be connected to you. The next one is that they just talk to you for the sake of it. They just talk to you if they want to remain friends. They just communicate with you if they want to remain platonic friends with you. So if they do not wish to be if they do not wish to be in a relationship with you, they just want to be platonic friends with you. They do not respond to you otherwise. They connect with you only when they want something, or they connect with you only for the sake of it. Only for the sake of it, they try to be your friend, or they behave as if they are doing a favor on you by being friends with you. The next one is they quit conversations which are about you. If there's any conversation initiated by anybody in the group, if you both have social mutual friends in the social circle or in family or in any other setting. So they quit any conversations which revolve around you, or they quit any conversations where people are talking about you. So that is a sure sign that your ex is no longer wanting to be connected with you. They do not spend time with you even though they are available. They do not make any effort to make plans with you. They do not reach out to you to make plans with you. So even though they are available, they do not want to be connected with you, and they do not want to make you a part of their life. The next one is they prevent talking about you, or they prevent or avoid bringing you up in a conversation with other people. So if your ex, if your a boyfriend or your girlfriend, it could resonate with anybody, is not bringing you up intentionally in any conversation with other people, it is a short sign that they do not want to be in a relationship with you, and they do not want to be connected with you. The next one is uh, they they find other friends, they find other passion, they find other activities in life, and they focus their attention in that direction. They focus their attention towards other people, where they want to get a response, or where they want to get that attention from others. So you are no longer a part of their world. They do not want to take that initiative to make you a part of their world. The next one is they will act cold towards you, they will act distance towards you, they will show you hot and cold behavior. It will be like a cat and mouse game, and they will at some moment try to be connected to you and try to be nice to you, and next moment they will kind of disappear or vanish. So they will show you a kind of behavior which will be a real turn off. That is a huge sign that they do not want to be connected to you. The next one is that you feel even more alone and let down, because in times of need, in times of help, they are never there, they are never available for you, and they are really not bothered whether you're doing okay or not. So they are never there for you. So such a person is they don't really want you to be a part of their life. The next one is that they are only enthusiastic to spend time when they feel like it. They only want to spend time with you when they desire. They only want to spend time with you when they desire and when they feel like they want to. So these are very sure short signs that your partner is not going to come back. They don't want to be with you. So if you see these signs in your partner, in your lover, in your relationship with your boyfriend or your girlfriend, you must distance yourself from this person, and you must focus on yourself, and you must not waste any more time on this person, as you will end up feeling hurt. You will feel the pain. So I hope you like this video. I hope it was useful. Thank you so much for watching.